Hey there, Lacey here with the Sweet Pea Chef, and I am so pumped to share with you, seriously, my favorite thing to eat right now, and that's these homemade baked salmon fish sticks. These are the best fish sticks I've ever had. They're paleo, gluten-free, clean eating, kid approved, and they go great with a lemon dill Greek yogurt dipping sauce that we're gonna make today too. So let's get started. So start by preheating your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and lining a rimmed baking sheet with some parchment paper. All right, so to prep our salmon, we are gonna use a skinless fillet, and we're gonna slice the fillet into 2-inch by 3-inch slices. Think finger food, or what you would normally want a fish stick size to be. Now we're gonna season the fish slices with sea salt and ground black pepper. So fish sticks normally have a crispy coating, so we've gotta follow that too. But instead of having processed flours and a bunch of fatty oils, we're gonna be using a combination of almond meal and chickpea flour. So we're gonna grab 3 mixing bowls, and in each of the bowls we're gonna add something different. In the first mixing bowl, we're gonna add some almond meal, garlic powder, and dried thyme, and then mix all of that together. In the second bowl, we're gonna add some chickpea flour, also known as garbanzo bean flour. And in the third bowl, we're gonna add some eggs, and then we're gonna whisk them together until they're beaten. All right, now we're gonna have an assembly line for what we're gonna dip our salmon into to make our crispy coating. So first, we're gonna grab the salmon and dip it into our garbanzo bean flour. Then we're gonna allow all of the excess to dust off, and then we're going to transfer that into our beaten eggs, get it completely coated and allowing any of that extra egg to drip off. Finally, we're gonna transfer that into our almond meal mixture and get it fully coated. Then transfer that coated piece all the way over to our prepared baking sheet and repeat with the remaining fish. To make sure that your hands don't get coated along with the salmon, I like to separate the wets from the dries with my hands. So on my left hand, I do the eggs, and on my right hand, I do the flours. Now we're gonna transfer our fish into the oven, and we're gonna bake them for about 16 to 18 minutes. We're gonna flip them halfway through, and what we're looking for is for the edges to get coated in a golden brown color and for it to start to get crispy. While the fish sticks are baking, we can go ahead and make our lemon dill Greek yogurt dipping sauce, which is super yummy. So in a large mixing bowl, we're gonna combine some plain Greek yogurt, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, dill weed, sea salt, and garlic powder, and then stir to combine. Then once our fish sticks are ready from the oven, we're gonna remove them and then dip them into our tasty dipping sauce for a delicious adult makeover of a childhood favorite. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you love this recipe, and make sure to check out my baked Parmesan spears for another make it healthy, delicious finger food to enjoy as well. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.